Welcome to the Novice Builder, where every expert was once a novice.
In part 3, we got the rafters up and installed the kicker studs, a big step in shaping the roof structure. If you haven't seen that yet, I've put the link down in the description below, or you can head over to my channel, The Novice Builder. Now in part 4, we're moving on to the next steps, installing the roof sheathing and adding the rake fascia to start closing everything in. Let's get into it. Now let's break down the actual tools and materials used to build it the right way on site. Tape measure, chalk line, framing square, speed square, laser level or spirit level, plumb bob, circular saw, hammer and framing nailer. Materials. Let's start with the structural wood. Section 1, framing lumber. First we have 2x6 pre-cut stud, 104 5/8 inches long, kiln dried and precision trimmed. These are the standard wall studs for 9-foot ceilings. 2x6 southern pine, 16 feet long, number 2 grade. This is used for joists, rafters, and blocking throughout the framing. 2x6 pressure-treated lumber, also 16 feet long and rated for ground contact. This is ideal for sill plates or anywhere the wood touches concrete. I also use 2x12 southern pine, 16 and 10 feet long. These large dimension boards are great for floor joists, stair stringers, or deep headers. A standard 2x4 stud, pre-cut to 116 5/8 inches, is used for framing 10-foot walls. Then there's the 2x4 southern pine, 16 feet long, a go-to for plates, bracing, and layout studs. For framing tighter spans or blocking, we have 2x6 and 2x8 southern pine in shorter lengths like 10 and 18 feet. Section 2, sheathing. For wall and roof sheathing, we use 15 32 inch 3-ply CDX plywood, often referred to as half-inch rated sheathing. Subfloors and structural decking are built using 23 32 inch CDX plywood, also known as 3/4 inch tongue and groove sheathing. Section 3, adhesive and fasteners. To bond and strengthen connections, we apply 28-ounce construction adhesive, like liquid nails or PL Premium, between framing and subfloor layers. Before starting, safety first. Wear your protective gear, check your tools, and clear the workspace. Roof sheathing installation. With the roof framing in place, it's time to install the roof sheathing. The team is using 15 by 32 inch OSB panels, starting at one corner and laying them perpendicular to the rafters for maximum strength. Fasten using 8D nails, every 6 inches along panel edges and 12 inches in the field. Stagger the joints for added stability. Sheathing ties the entire roof structure together and provides a base for underlayment and roofing materials. After the roof sheathing is installed, the team puts in the rake fascia. The rake fascia is the board installed along the sloped edge of the roof, right where the sheathing ends. Its main purpose is to cover the exposed ends of the roof framing, giving the edge a clean, finished look. The team secures the rake fascia in place using 8D nails, driving them into the ends of the rafters or lookout blocks to ensure a tight, stable fit. It also helps seal the roof, protecting it from wind-driven rain, pests, and moisture intrusion. In addition, the rake fascia provides a solid backing for attaching drip edge flashing, which helps direct water away from the structure. Once both sides of the rake fascia are installed and nailed in securely, the roof starts to take on its final shape, fully framed and sealed, ready for the next step in weatherproofing. Now that we've gone through each step, here's a quick time-lapse to show how the whole thing came together from start to finish. That's it for part 4. The roof sheathing is on and the rake fascia is installed. Up next, we'll be tackling the underlayment and shingles. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to watch my complete framing playlist or subscribe to my channel, The Novice Builder. It really helps me keep creating more helpful and engaging videos for you. And don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your tips, questions, or suggestions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out my upcoming project and videos.